Hello guys, and welcome back to Stormy Cat's YouTube channel. And I'm on the phone with...
the awesome dude,
and we're about to monitor two weather radio stations, WXK78 and KHB42. And they are about to conduct their test. I'm trying to get this camera to focus. What a blooper. Huh? What a blooper, huh? What a blooper. Already blooping on my videotape. I call it a videotape, whatever. Alright, we are down to 10:58. I hope we get it right at 11 o'clock. It is a perfect, beautiful day. The winds are gusting, but at 9 miles per hour, but... Hang on. Technical difficulties, people. It's 9 miles an hour. What'd you say?
We had ours today, but ours went off at 11:22.
Dadgummit! It better be right at 11. I'm gonna be mad. Oh, please be at 11 o'clock.
But there's always another sign. I did a blooper on your channel. It's my first video with you. Wow.
Hang on. I'm a little scared right now. Yes! Crap.